Hey, welcome back. We're checking out more issues with used turntables before you buy them. One thing to check out is the RCA cords. These are the originals, and if they are original, they haven't been swapped. And that means that they're pretty old. The wire inside gets old, it oxidizes, and oxidized wire doesn't carry signal too well. We see tons of people that have issues with Serato, either reading one channel poorly or both channels poorly, and it's often because the wires are just not delivering the right amount of signal. Too high in resistance or too bad. Also, these connectors can get damaged too, just from people pulling them out of mixers or just being bent or whatever, what have you. You know, I'm sure you've seen people who the tips break off inside their mixer. Another thing are ground wires. This one is intact, but of course you've seen the ones that are just bare wire because they've fallen apart. What we replace them with are these Mogami Golds. They're great. We see customers for other reasons that come back years later and their RCAs are still in great shape. So we use these here at the shop, and they're gold plated, and they kind of match the look and the fit of the old ones. You can definitely go with the heavy duty, as we've seen some of the monster cable, but the monster cables are so big that they don't fit well inside the tone arm, inside the chassis, and they can sometimes actually break the circuit board that they're supposed to be mounted to, but these do not. Whenever we do an RCA swap, we also swap the ground wire just for good measure. There you have it.